Audibility is clear now? Okay, fine. Right. We were discussing about thermodynamic processes, right? Listen, I am repeating that. I am talking about thermodynamic processes. We have done isothermal, we have done isochoric, isobaric, right? Then you have said adiabatic, and then we have taken two special type of processes known as isothermal, the reversible and irreversible processes. Let us continue the same story. We were actually discussing nomenclature of the system. So when we are discussing that, one more word comes to us known as internal energy. What is internal energy? Internal energy is supposed to be total amount of energy inherent in the substance. Inherent का मतलब छुपी हुई अंदर, not outside, not outside. Therefore, it is considered as the sum of all types of energies. What is the meaning of all types of energies? Potential energy and kinetic energy. Sir, what do you mean by kinetic energy? Kinetic energy means translation energy, it means translation energy, vibration energy, rotational energy, all types of energies with electronic energy, nuclear energy, all is completely put together, not outside energy. Gravitational energy, no, it is not counted as internal. Remember, it is sum. It is the sum of all types of energies inherent in the system, sum of potential energy and all types of kinetic energy. Potential energy is due to intermolecular force of attraction. A very beautiful short question to learn. We don't know. We have said some number of times potential energy, mgh, kinetic energy, half mv square, but we don't know what is the origin of the potential energy. Potential energy is developed because of intermolecular force of attractions. Kinetic energy of gas is due to translationary motion, vibrational motion, rotational motion, electronic and nuclear motion. What is the meaning of translational motion? As a whole molecule will move, HCl. HCl is moving as a whole in the form of pair. It is called translational motion. Vibrational, to and fro. Rotational, we are having molecular motion in the form of up and down. Electronic and nuclear, you know it very well. In case of ideal gases, remember, intermolecular force of attraction is zero. Hence, internal energy of an ideal gas is only potential energy zero, only kinetic energy is countable. 4 marks are available here. In this point, in case of ideal gases, what is total energy? Potential plus kinetic. No, sir, potential energy is not available because we have zero intermolecular force of attraction. On the contrary, if you take real gas, now don't ask what is ideal gas and what is real gas now. We have done all those things already in case of gaseous state chapter. In case of real gases, we have intermolecular force of attraction not equal to zero. They are present. They are present. If they are present, there will be potential energy. Therefore, for real gases, internal energy is sum of potential energy and all types of kinetic energies. It is an extensive property, depends upon quantity of substance, depends upon bulkness of substance. Molar internal energy. In the previous classes, we have said any property, if you discuss specific and any property we discuss with molar, it becomes intensive. For example, what we can say volume, extensive property. Molar volume, intensive property. Volume, extensive property. Specific volume, intensive property. Exactly in a similar way, internal energy is extensive property. Specific internal energy or molar internal energy is called intensive property. Remember that we are going through so many number of 4 marks questions. It is a state function. Internal energy is a state function. Means it depends upon initial state and final state. It is independent of path chosen for the conversion. For a cyclic process, delta E is equal to 0. That is the characteristic property of state function. We have done it in previous class. Thermodynamic deals with delta E, but never we talk about what is the internal energy. What we talk about, change of internal energy. Some people say it is the beauty of thermodynamics. Some people say the drawback of thermodynamics. That never thermodynamics talks about absolute property. What is E? I don't care. What is change in E? Yes, that is important. Is it clear? Thermodynamics always deals about the change in the properties. Delta E is equal to final minus initial, products minus reactants, 2 minus 1. E of an isolated system is constant. What is the meaning of isolated system? Any system which is not connected with the surrounding. If suppose, for example, you are not connected with the surrounding, your knowledge will not change. If you want to have change in your knowledge, increase in a proper way, you should be associated with surrounding, known as a classroom, known as lecturer, right, known as system. Similarly, energy of an isolated system will never change. It is neither increasing nor decreasing, because that fellow is isolated, separated from surrounding. Hence it is constant. Achha, what is the meaning of this statement? It means delta E for isolated system is equal to 0. If you are saying energy is constant, means E2 is equal to E1. If E2 is equal to E1, delta E is equal to 0. It is a function of temperature and volume, another 4 marks. It is a function of temperature and volume. Means what? Energy depends upon. Mathematical statement is function of. Physical meaning for doctors, it depends. It depends upon temperature and volume. It is written like this. It is written mathematically written as okay, madam, no one is raising hand on my screen. It's nothing. I have made all the things completely out. No problem. Let it be going ahead. I'll just let me go. Let me go. Okay. It is a function of temperature and volume. How do you write? Mathematically, E equals to F of T comma V, capital T, capital V, right? What is the physical meaning? Energy, internal energy depends upon temperature, absolute temperature and volume, okay? For real gases, now see the mathematical treatment. Don't be panic with mathematical treatment, right? dE can be written as dou E by dou V at constant temperature. I am differentiating it. It is called general differentiation, differentiation of first function, second function as it is, differentiate second function, first function as this, like this something, right? In PC people, you try to enjoy. By PC, don't see this one. Don't see, sir, something you are writing which is not related to us. Your attitude should be like this. Your mindset must be like this, because all the things which you are coming on the screen, it is applicable for all scientists and doctors. You should say, sir, I am interested in my rank. I will take only those things which are interested. It is really applicable for me. Now, why I have taken this one? See here, I am saying at constant temperature, at constant temperature. Listen carefully what happens. For ideal gases, since IMFA is equal to 0, dou E by dou V at constant temperature is equal to 0. Now, IIT people, everything is required from the screen. Doctors, this expression is 4 marks for you. You have to remember that. Sir, I am unable to memorize because I am not a parrot. Okay, if you want to learn the conceptual meaning, see that one. Change in energy. Dou E means what? Change in energy. How can you have change of energy when temperature is constant? What is the meaning of this T subscript? Constant temperature. So wherever dou E is written, temperature must be variable. You are saying temperature is constant. T1 is equal to T2. E1 is equal to E2. That is the meaning of the word function of temperature at one. Energy depends upon temperature and volume means if you increase temperature, energy increases. If you decrease temperature, energy decreases. If you keep temperature constant, energy remains same. If it is remaining same, what is the meaning of that? Initial, final, both are same. What is the meaning of dou E? Final minus initial, 0. This is definition, thermodynamic definition of ideal gas. Which of the following is correct statement for ideal gas? They will give you such type of question, right? If it is so, then we should say, sir, dou E by dou V at constant temperature equals to 0, ideal gas. Not equal to 0, real gas. There are 2 questions here available, right? We have to enjoy the game like that. Next, delta E. What is the meaning of energy is a function of temperature? Sir, it depends upon temperature. Okay. If it is not changing, who is not changing? Temperature is not changing. What is the meaning of temperature is not changing? Isothermal. Yes, iso, same, thermal temperature. For all isothermal processes, delta E is equal to 0. Please have a look carefully when you're writing notes. Write down everything systematically, because so many 4 marks questions are just going on in front of our eyes. Q, delta E is equal to final minus initial. 2 minus 1, products minus reactants. Or if system absorbs energy, we say delta E positive. Why? If system absorbs energy, energy increases, final energy is more, E2 minus E1 will be positive. If system is releasing energy, final energy of system is less, therefore we say it is negative quantity. That is called as sign convention. If suppose you are saying energy is absorbed, you should write it as positive value. If you are saying energy is released, we should write, sir, we are having lower value. Okay? Now, energy delta E is measured using bomb calorimeter. ये डिवाइस का नाम है, right? Experimentally it is measured. ये डिवाइस क्या होता है, ये डिवाइस कैसा काम करता है, इसकी ज्यादा हमको जरूरत नहीं है इस चैप्टर में. अगले चैप्टर में इसी के अगले कनेक्शन में आएगा, तब समझाऊंगा. At present, what I am saying, there is a device which is called bomb calorimeter. It is used to measure the value of change of internal energy. And remember that bomb calorimeter is used to find out the value of energy at constant volume. ठीक है, go back. QV, amount of heat energy involved at constant volume, is equal to delta E is equal to NCV delta T. You have learned this in your physics classes, or we'll take it into the future classes. अभी कुछ नहीं, अभी इतना ही समझना है आपको, ठीक है? Delta E is measured in ergs. It is a form of energy. Ergs, joules, calories. Which is a bigger one? 1 calorie, 4.186 joules. 1 joule, 10 power 7 erg. So which is the largest quantity? 1 calorie is the biggest quantity, then 1 joule, then 1 erg, right? U, at constant temperature, for 1 mole of mono, make a star when you are writing notes. This is another 4-mark question. At constant temperature, sir, temperature constant, मतलब delta E 0. याद रखो, delta E 0. लेकिन आगे पढ़ो. For 1 mole of monoatomic, एक ही atom, diatomic, HCl, H2, HBr, something like this, O2, and triatomic, ozone, carbon dioxide, ammonia. Energy is more for triatomic gases. ठीक है, हम क्या बोले अभी, जरा गौर से सुनिए. सर, you said energy is extensive property. ठीक है, extensive property का मतलब है it depends upon quantity. क्वांटिटी क्या चीज है? मोल क्वांटिटी है. आप यहाँ बोल रहे हैं 1 मोल. जब 1 मोल बोले तो मोनोएटॉमिक का, डायटॉमिक का, ट्राइएटॉमिक का एनर्जी सेम होना चाहिए. नहीं होगी. क्यों नहीं होगी? इन केस ऑफ डायटॉमिक, सॉरी, मोनोएटॉमिक, there will be only one type of motion. यहाँ से वहाँ, वहाँ से वहाँ, translational energy. If you take diatomic, ट्रांसलेशनल तो होगी, लेकिन आगे पीछे वाइब्रेशन एनर्जी भी होगी, राइट? ये प्लस पॉइंट होगा, एक्स्ट्रा हो गया. एंड ट्राइएटॉमिक रोटेशन भी होगी. इसका मतलब है, रिमेंबर, ऑफ कोर्स इंटरनल एनर्जी इज एक्सटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. बट इफ आई टेक 1 मोल ऑफ सब्सटेंस, as, listen carefully, as complexity of molecule increases, internal energy increases. Scientists, as a complexity of molecule increases, internal energy also increases. At constant temperature, for 1 mole of monoatomic, diatomic, and triatomic gases, energy is more for triatomic gases due to rotational motion, vibrational motion of the atoms, whereas in case of monoatomic, we do not have these two types of motions. That is, energy depends upon complexity of the molecule. Is it clear? Okay, next. Fine, that will stop here. This is the first point we have to discuss. Let us take next heading. Before that, please write down this one. What is internal energy and how many ways I can enjoy the internal energy? All I have given on one screen. Come on, enjoy the case. Hurry up. అన్ని షెడ్యూల్స్ అయిపోయినాయి. మనం తీసుకున్నాం, ఫైల్ చేసుకున్నాము. మనకు పేపర్స్ మండే పేపర్స్ రెడీ ఉన్నాయి.
సండే
ఇప్పుడు ఈ 13 సూపర్ స్టార్ బ్యాచ్ వాళ్ళకి మండే కదా,
సండే
సో డే ఆఫ్టర్ టుమారో. మీ పేపర్ రెడీ ఉన్నాయా?
బయాలజీ అవుతుందండి. మ్యాథ్స్ 10 మార్చారు, చేంజ్ చేస్తాను.
ఇది వెక్టర్స్ దొరకలేదా? స్టాండీ సార్ పడగలరు. ఓకే, క్లాస్ తర్వాత చేస్తాను, చెప్తాను. Any doubt to ask anybody? Shall I proceed? Okay, go ahead, go ahead. Is it over? Shall I proceed? Completed? Noise. Okay, shall I proceed, other boys? Right. Now, once we are discussing that, we are talking about the internal energy. I have given you 21 points, right? All of the just go on revising number of times, then you will be, yes, so now I am having the enjoyment of thermodynamics. Next, I said, what is internal energy? There is one more property called heat. Whenever heat word comes, it is always associated with temperature, right? What is heat? Heat is also a form of energy. What is temperature? Temperature is degree of hotness of body, 10th class, right? Degree of hotness of a body. Heat is a measure of quantity of energy transferred from hot body to cold body. From hot body, we have migration of heat energy. It will go to cold body. It is a transfer of energy without mechanical work. Take it carefully. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy which transfers from one part of the system to other part of system. But while the transfer is taking place, there will be no mechanical. What is the meaning of mechanical work? Movement of the piston up and down. There is no mechanical work available. Heat energy flows through boundaries of system and surrounding. Yes, heat energy comes within the from the boundary, goes out from the boundary. Therefore, he says heat energy flows through boundary of system and surrounding. Please add up these 2 points also so that I can change the slide. Go ahead. Over. ओके मैकेनिकल वर्क यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड नाउ, अभी आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, टेंशन मत लो उसका, जब मैं बताऊंगा आपको आगे समझ में आएगा। वो जहन में रखो क्वेश्चन, मुफीद व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मैकेनिकल वर्क बोला मैं, लेकिन समझ में नहीं आएगा आपको, नहीं बहुत से बच्चों को, वो अभी आएगा थोड़ी देर के बाद में, आपको जब वर्क पढ़ाऊंगा मैं तब आएगा, ठीक है? वो डाउट को जिंदा रखो। नेक्स्ट, नाउ once you understand that we are having heat and energy, right? Energy, heat, temperature, ये सब चीजें हम नॉमेनक्लेचर में पढ़ते चल रहे हैं, इसका मतलब क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या है। अब आइए थोड़े से कॉन्सेप्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे, right? There is a process or there is a word, it is used most commonly, it is called thermodynamic equilibrium. What is the meaning of equilibrium in your mind? When you go back to your 10th class, sir, we have done in chemistry, there is something known as forward reaction, there is something known as backward reaction. That type of reaction is called reversible reaction. And in reversible reaction, teacher told us equilibrium. I don't know what is that. She said, ये है true fact. ये आपके mind के अंदर में जाके देखा तो ये word लिखा हुआ वहाँ, अब गलत तो कुछ और बोल रहे हैं आप, अलग चीज है, but reality is most of the students are to 10th standard, because maturity का problem होगा, सर हमको टीचर ये बोले फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन होता है बेटा, बैकवर्ड रिएक्शन होता है, ऐसे रिएक्शंस को वी कॉल इट एज रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन एंड देयर इज ए स्टेज नोन एज इक्विलिब्रियम। चलो ठीक है, अब आप मेच्योर ज्यादा हैं, यू आर हैविंग वेरी हाई टेंडेंसी टू अंडरस्टैंड, कम ऑन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द ब्यूटी ऑफ वर्ड इक्विलिब्रियम। Equilibrium is defined as a step of the process where process is going on, its consequences not observed. Process is going on, consequences not observed. Sir, I am sitting in the classroom, but I don't want to understand the subject. Equilibrium student, काम हो रहा है, दिख रहा है कि काम कुछ हो रहा है, लेकिन उसका काम नहीं हुआ, एक आदमी है, मजदूर है, काम कर रहा है, लेकिन दीवार खत्म नहीं हुई। It is called equilibrium process. For example, अब आप जाइए 10th क्लास में, rate of forward reaction, yes sir, it is going. Rate of backward reaction, sir, it is going. But what about change in concentration? No sir, concentration will not change, concentration will remain same. Why? As many moles of reactants are going to products, so many moles of products are coming to reactants. मतलब दो मजदूर काम कर रहे हैं, एक आदमी ईंट जमा रहा है, दूसरा आदमी ईंट निकाल रहा है, right? It is supposed to be rate of forward reaction, rate of backward reaction. What is net effect? शाम तक होने के बाद क्या कितना दीवार बना है? नहीं सर, कुछ नहीं बना। If suppose net work is not done, process should not stop, process should take place, but no consequences are observed. That is called equilibrium process. Okay? There are different type of equilibria. For example, if suppose you are having any system and you want to say the system is having thermodynamic equilibrium, what are the conditions? Come on, enjoy the game. A system is said to be in thermodynamic equilibrium if the process takes place with the following three equilibria. अगर तीन इक्विलिब्रियम रहे तब आप बोलेंगे अच्छा ये सिस्टम थर्मोडायनामिक इक्विलिब्रियम में है। वो थ्री सिस्टम क्या है? ए, थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम, दैट मींस इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ लॉस एंड गेन ऑफ एनर्जी। देखो प्रोसेस हो रहा है, loss of energy taking place, gain of energy taking place. But what about temperature? Temperature is not changing. Why? Because rate of absorption of heat energy is equal to rate of removal of heat energy. Process is going on, but there is no effect of the process. क्लास में हम बैठ रहे हैं लेकिन हम समझना नहीं चाहते. You are the equilibrium student. Exactly in a similar way, you are saying, sir, heat is going out. You are saying, sir, heat is coming out. If heat is going out, there will be loss of temperature, drop in temperature. If heat is gained out, there will be increase in thermometer reading. No, sir, thermometer reading is constant. Why? Because the process is maintaining in such a way that the rate going out, rate of flow of heat energy out is equal to rate of heat energy gain in. If it is so, it is called thermal equilibrium. क्या करना चाहिए इसके लिए? Vessel should be perfect conducting vessel. जितना loss होगा उतना gain होगा. The conducting walls must be diathermic walls, perfect good conductor. चलिए B, mechanical equilibrium. अभी कौन पूछे थे वो mechanical equilibrium? Somebody asked that boy. What is the meaning of mechanical equilibrium? Process होगा, काम नहीं होगा. Process is going on, but there is no, what we can say, if suppose for example you are saying process going on, but work is not going on. Just consider a piston. A cylindrical vessel में piston लगा दीजिए. Piston move up or down हो रहा लेकिन काम नहीं हो रहा है. If you are saying no net work is done, right? There is a boy of 5th class and he wants to say, sir, I want to remove this wall. Now from morning to evening he is applying pressure on the wall or applying pressure on the very huge body. शाम तक वो थक जाएगा लेकिन काम नहीं हुआ. Right? It is said to be mechanical equilibrium. Mechanical equilibrium का मतलब है force चाहिए, displacement चाहिए, work नहीं होगा. Science क्या कहेगी? Force and displacement gives you always work. No sir, science says Fs cos theta. Force is available, displacement is available, but theta is 90. Fs cos 90. What is that? Work that is equal to 0. But यहाँ पे process होगा लेकिन उसका effect नहीं होगा. इसके examples हम बताएंगे आपको आगे. Chemical equilibrium जो आप पढ़ के आए हैं 10th में, सर reaction forward हो रहा है, reaction backward हो रहा है, but there is no change in concentration because as many moles of reactants are shifting to forward, so many moles of products are shifting to backward. Therefore, there is no net change in concentration. No change in concentration of reactants and products. If you have such type of situations, we say thermal equilibrium, we say mechanical equilibrium, we say chemical equilibrium. If all the three equilibria are available, then we say it is thermodynamic equilibrium. A system is said to have thermodynamic equilibrium if it is enjoying thermal equilibrium, mechanical equilibrium, chemical equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium, loss of energy, gain of energy should take place, temperature should not change. Mechanical equilibrium, piston should go up and down, work should not be done. Chemical equilibrium, reaction should take place, no change in concentration. Then it is called equilibrium process. Okay, next. Now come to the thermodynamics. यहाँ तक आप nomenclature पढ़ रहे थे, अभी और कुछ बाकी है, वो भी आगे आएगा. Right? There is a law known as 0th law of thermodynamics. First law, second law, पहले से 0th law. ये बहुत simple है. But just for completion of syllabus and formality of syllabus, I am teaching this one. ये कोई खास ज़्यादा बड़ी चीज नहीं है क्योंकि आप लोग genius हैं, जल्दी समझ जाएंगे. 0th law of thermodynamics says that if suppose there are three bodies A, B, C, A and B are in thermodynamic equilibrium. Okay, ठीक है sir. A and C are in thermodynamic equilibrium. वो भी ठीक है. It means to say B and C must be also in thermodynamic equilibrium. Again I am repeating. A और B equilibrium में है. Equilibrium मतलब thermodynamic equilibrium. A और C thermodynamic equilibrium में अलग-अलग. इसका मतलब indirectly क्या हो गया? B and C must be also in thermodynamic equilibrium. Nothing special, very simple. If a system A is in thermal equilibrium with two other systems B and C independently, A with B, A with C, right? A, B A का दोस्त है, C A का दोस्त है. अच्छा, इसका मतलब B और C भी आपस में दोस्त होंगे. 0th law. This is 0th law. If a system A is in thermal equilibrium with two other systems B and C independently, AB, AC, अलग-अलग, then B and C must also be thermodynamic equilibrium or thermal equilibrium, if people say. राइट सर, समझ में थोड़ा थोड़ा नहीं आ रहा है, अब आए। यस, ए और बी ये दोनों का थर्मोडायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम है, ए और सी का भी इक्विलिब्रियम, इसका मतलब बी और सी भी थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम में होगा। सर फिर भी समझ में नहीं आया, अब आएगा। ये ऑब्जेक्ट ए है, ये ऑब्जेक्ट बी है। ऑब्जेक्ट ए बी के साथ इक्विलिब्रियम में है, और ऑब्जेक्ट ए का टेम्परेचर, इसका टेम्परेचर कितना है 45 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, इसका टेम्परेचर कितना है 45 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। सो ये हो गया ए, ए इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम विथ बॉडी, thermometer is in equilibrium with A, thermometer is in equilibrium with B. No sir, A and B also in thermal equilibrium, right? अब 3:20 हो रहे हैं। ये जो चीज स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, मतलब ब्यूटीफुल है, दैट विल एंजॉय टुमारो। थोड़ा सा सुनिए, रुकिए जरा सुनिए। टुमारो इज सैटरडे, द पेपर विच आई एम गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर, राइट, शायद कृष्ण मोहन सर की तबीयत सही नहीं है, टोटल पेपर फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री का होगा, पूरे 45 क्वेश्चंस, और सब्जेक्ट होगा सैटरडे लास्ट तक मैं जो पढ़ाऊंगा वो पूरा मिला के होगा। सैटरडे एक वर्क है, ये चीज खत्म करूंगा मैं कल। टुमारो वी हैव क्लास, हो सकता है टुमारो द क्लास में भी 2:30 to 4, आई ट्राई टू फिनिश अप टू 3:30। अगर 3:30 तक नहीं हुआ तो क्लास 4 o'clock तक होगी, अगर सिलेबस हो गया तो ठीक है। इसका मतलब पोर्शन कहाँ से है, थर्मोडायनामिक के टी से लेके सैटरडे के 4 PM के M तक, राइट, लिख लीजिए। एंड इफ इट इज ओवर लीव द क्लास। थैंक यू, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Abdul Mukhid, remember, I have given thermal equilibrium, but it is applicable for all the three equilibria, mechanical as well as chemical. उसके लिए भी apply कर सकते हैं. Yes, it's applicable for all. There is a boy by name Mohammad Khan. ये तीसरा वक्त हो गया, सर सिलेबस क्या है, सर गैस स्टेट है क्या, मतलब आप यहाँ बहरे हैं क्या? मैं आपको इतना खुला बोला कि थर्मोडायनेमिक की टी से लेकर सैटरडे के 4 PM के यम तक बोला सिलेबस, इसमें गैस स्टेट कहां से आया बेटा? शौक है शायद आपको टाइपिस्ट बनने का। सुनना बेटा, सुनना, क्लास में सुनना, टाइपिंग नहीं करना, सुनना क्या बोल रहे हैं। एक बीमारी है सबको, सिलेबस क्या है, सिलेबस क्या है, एक वक्त बोल लिए जब क्लास स्टार्ट हुई, भाई पूरा वीक में जो पढ़ाते वो सिलेबस, बात खत्म हो गई। What you are saying means why flow energy from hot body to cold body? बेटा ये क्लास, ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने के लिए जाइए स्कूल को, कभी छुट्टी रहे तो स्कूल को जाके टीचर से पूछिए पानी किधर से किधर मूव होता बेटा? मोइस, पानी कहां से कहां मूव होता, बोलो। How do you describe the flow of water? If you are serious to ask a question, you should involve in the question. Time pass के लिए पूछे तो टाइम पास। Lost concentration, वाटर में concentration कहां से आया बेटा? हाई टू लो concentration। एक मिनट जरा रुकिए, एक मिनट, इंटरेस्टिंग डिस्कशन शुरू हुआ है, एक मिनट रुकिए। One boy is saying high to low concentration, गलत है। Another is saying lost concentration, गलत है। अब उबैदुर रहमान थोड़ा सा ट्राई करें, हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर। नहीं बेटा, हाई लेवल टू लो लेवल। पानी में प्रेशर का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं होता बेटा, राइट? रिमेंबर, फ्लो ऑफ वाटर टेक्स प्लेस फ्रॉम हायर लेवल टू लोअर लेवल। इसीलिए तो आप लोग परेशान होते हैं ना, सर मैं 5th फ्लोर पे हूँ, पानी बहुत कम आ रहा है, मैं 1st फ्लोर पे हूँ, पानी बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर से आता है। पानी का आना प्रेशर का नहीं बोल रहे हैं, फ्लो कैसा होगा, हाई से लो। चलिए अब क्वेश्चन पे जाइए। ही से हॉट बॉडी से कोल्ड बॉडी पे क्यों जाती है हीट एनर्जी? हॉट बॉडी का मतलब हीट एनर्जी का लेवल ज्यादा है। कोल्ड बॉडी का मतलब हीट एनर्जी का लेवल कम है। हमेशा वाटर फ्लोज फ्रॉम हायर लेवल टू लोअर लेवल, हीट एनर्जी फ्लोज फ्रॉम हायर हॉट बॉडी, हायर एनर्जी कंटेंट, जिसके पास ज्यादा है वहां से, जिसके पास कम है वहां। ये रूल है नेचर का। नॉलेज आल्सो ट्रांसफर्स फ्रॉम lecturers to students, higher level to lower level. Always remember, water flows from higher level to lower level. Next, water for heat energy flows from hot body to cold body, because hot body is having high energy and cold body is having low energy. इसी चीज को आप 10th में बोले, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में टीचर क्या बोले आपको? Electric energy flows from high potential to low potential. Yes, yes. Is it clear? Nice. Is it over? Write down, write down, write down. डायग्राम ड्रॉ कीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम। आपके हाथ में पेंसिल है, आपके पास इरेजर है, राइट? आप डिसिप्लिन से सिस्टमैटिकली 2 कलर पेंसिल्स, पेन्स और एक पेंसिल और एक इरेजर और एक स्केल लेके बैठे हैं। ये सब आपके पास है, मुझको मालूम है, क्योंकि आप लोग बहुत डिसिप्लिन स्टूडेंट्स हैं। The teacher told you so many disciplined things. Don't leave those habits, those good habits which have been taught to you. Sir, हम लोग कॉलेज में आ गए हैं, बेवकूफी है अगर आप ऐसा समझते हैं। नॉलेज को गेन करने का तरीका वही है जो हमको हमारे टीचर सिखाए थे। Draw the figures systematically using pencil. Yes. डिसिप्लिन है तो इंसान है, डिसिप्लिन नहीं है तो हैवान है। इब्राहिम, आप बोले कि सर नो वर्क कैसा होता है? जरा एक क्वेश्चन रखो आपके जहन में, जो बताता हूँ आपको वर्क कैसा नहीं होता। आगे टॉपिक में आएगा, अभी समझ में नहीं आएगा आपको, थोड़ा सा मगर क्वेश्चन जिंदा रखो। डाउट्स हमेशा जिंदा रखना इंसान को, जब तक उसका आंसर नहीं मिला डाउट को जिंदा रखना, चाहे वो अच्छा डाउट हो या छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, डाउट को हमेशा जिंदा रखो। I hope everything is over for everybody. Shall I pack up? Mukhit. Okay. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.